It is a brisk morning. Good morning, my community. I have on shorts and a t-shirt today, but that's gonna change tomorrow. I have on my mud boots this morning. I can't wait to check these pumpkins. Looking good, looking good. They're starting to turn, which I'm very excited about. I don't know if y'all can see, yeah, you can. See this old mud? You get stuck in it. And it doesn't take long, guys. They are getting there. Got a little ladybug visitor this morning. So we got a north wind blowing, and it's going to pick up today, and it's going to drop us down into the 50s tomorrow morning, and maybe even the upper 40s. Yes, the upper 40s Sunday morning. So we are getting a nice blast of cool air, which we are looking so forward to it. I'm going to stand out here until I get chilled to the bone. There's another one starting to turn, and then that one over there. So I think we might get a couple of orange pumpkins by today's October the 6th. Hopefully maybe by the 15th, maybe even sooner. So this is what that black gumbo dirt does, guys, when it gets wet. It is a sticky mess, but when it dries out, it's as hard as concrete. I think that patch is looking pretty good. So I'm excited. So many of you have commented and said you're seeing the large grasshoppers. We are too, and you can see where they've eaten some of my carrot tops in here. So I went ahead and I put some diatomaceous earth out. Now we'll have to reapply this probably a couple of days, but I think maybe, hopefully, with this cooler air coming in, they're gonna vamoose. So it's an exciting time here right now with the cooler temperatures coming in, and with the rain that we got, the 3 inches we got the other day. And so they're kind of backing off on the 80 degrees all next week. It looks like maybe just a couple of days, and they were saying we were going to get up to the 80s today, but now they've backed off of that too, and it looks like we're going to be in the mid 70s, which is perfect fall gardening weather, guys. Perfect fall gardening weather. So I'm glad that y'all got some rain down in South Texas and in East Texas. What a blessing that is, and what a blessing this cooler temperature is going to be. So tomorrow morning, I'll probably be, instead of shorts and a t-shirt, I'll be in sweatpants and a sweatshirt, but it's going to be so very nice, and I can't wait for that to come in and just let us feel the briskness of the fall weather that's coming, and exciting about the pumpkins. I think that we will get some probably in the next 10 days, which would be absolutely beautiful and gorgeous. So excited about those as well. What a difference a week makes, and a little bit of rain from the good Lord on how it just jump starts everything, and the cooler temps is helping everything, and there's just a different feeling in the air. Now there's not a cloud in the sky here, well, at least to the north, but there is over here to the southwest. Those are those wispy mare's tails, which say that we could get rain within the next 72 hours. So it'd be interesting to see if that changes. So our tomato plants out here have taken a jump, thank goodness. They're looking pretty good. Excited about these. So what are you all planting this weekend? Because I know a lot of you down here in the south are going to be planting and doing some seeding, and maybe doing your transplants. How exciting that's going to be for all of us, and to be able to work outside without dying, without this excessive, oppressive heat. So yeah, we're really looking forward now to seeing what's going to happen in the fall. Now I know up north you guys are already under your first frost advisory tonight, and so boy. So we have a feeling that our seasons will change just as quickly. We think that we'll stay pretty warm until we're not going to be warm or cool. We're going to get cold, but we'll see. Maybe the good Lord will give us a fall this year and help everything to get started. That's what we're praying and hoping for. So I'm interested to know what you guys are going to be planting this weekend. And gosh, it won't be long before we'll be starting seeds for the spring. We'll be starting tomato seeds probably the 1st of December. So it's not going to be very long, guys, before we're already going to start planting our spring garden and our spring harvest, because again, we want to get started early this year or next year. We want to get started early because of the heat, because, you know, come 1st of July, we're down, and we're down through July, August, and even September now, and it didn't used to be that way. And October is even, the 1st of October, we've even been very hot. So, you know, trying to adjust our seasons is a big deal, and trying to figure out what to start, when to start, and how to start, and what to grow and when to get it in. It's all gonna be a big plan, and we'll keep you guys updated on what it is we decide to do when we do it. And so you guys can follow along if you want. And yeah, so it won't be long before we'll be starting our tomato seeds for the spring, and our peppers especially. It's a beautiful morning. Got to get to work here. Wanted to give you guys an update on them pumpkins because I was just dying to see them. And we'll keep you updated through the weekend and let you know how things go. And I may do a video with the north wind hitting me full blast. You never know, because that's an exciting time for us. Take care. God bless. We love you all. See you soon.